Corvette garage roof ended up with a fair bit of stuff on it. We're gonna get all the big stuff swept off here real quick. Alright, well, it is day 2 after the hurricane, I guess. Yesterday we did all the tree work. Today we're kind of staying at home a little more, focusing on the yard and other things here. As you can see, we've got the front yard pretty cleaned up. We got a couple piles left to get back here in the backyard. One big pile up here in the front. We got the driveway completely blown off, swept off, the front porch, sidewalk. We got the back porch cleaned off. We got the roof of the house cleaned off pretty good. We then got the roof of the Corvette's garage cleaned off. I got up there and swept that off. Dad and James focused on getting both the boats clean. Dad's still working on the big boat over there, trying to get all the junk out of the cabin. The leaves left like a weird purple residue all over the floor and won't come off with soap and water, so I think he's going to try and get some bleach on there and see if that'll take it off. As you can hear, still got the generator running back there. Probably going to be another couple of days before we get power back, so that's probably going to be in the background for a little while. I think the rest of the day is just focused on getting cleaned up. We're going to finish cleaning up the yard, getting all these piles up. And later this evening, we're going to go make a grocery run and get us some food. We're running a little low. Go get something to cook. So that'll be good. But things are getting back to normal. We went and got some gas this morning. James and Day did, and filled up the can so we can keep the generator going. All in all, things shaping up all right. There really wasn't a lot of damage around here. The neighbors down the street had a close call with a tree on their garage. That turned out fine though. And then the neighbors across the street, their chimney off of their fireplace on their back porch, it blew off, but it was just like a 10 square chimney, so wasn't much to it, so that wasn't surprising. But no, everything looks good. The Corvette is in good shape. Nothing got into there. Luckily, we ended up getting a north wind out of this instead of a south wind because the storm went to the east of us. So since the open side of the garage faces the south, we didn't end up getting anything in there. So that was nice and clean. But yeah, we're just gonna keep on cleaning up and trying to get stuff back to the way it's supposed to be. know, Zoe made the white turkey chicken chili the other day. What you got going today,
well,
Chef?
We got some ranch potatoes, and then you're supposed to cook the Kaneka, so.
Oh, I'm supposed to cook the Kaneka.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, what's involved in ranch potatoes?
Well, potatoes, obviously, and then some ranch, a lot of butter, and that's about all.
Alright, well. I'm cooking the Kaneka apparently, so I guess I better get on that if we expect to have Kaneka with lunch. Considering how good the white turkey chicken chili was, this should be alright.
What'd you make on your science lab? 2.
2 out of what?
2?
2 out of 2?
100?
2 out of 200?
Yeah.
I was a little worried about the oranges. The orange trees are my favorite thing every year. Being able to walk over and pick a fresh one off and have you a snack in the middle of the day. I was a little worried the storm was going to do a number on them and take a lot of them out, but as you can see, they're actually in remarkably good shape. So that's exciting. We'll still get to have oranges this year. Check out ants on this pine limb down here. Neat. Alright. Ranch potatoes and Kaneka sausage were good. That ought to get us through the rest of the day until we can go pick up our groceries. I don't know what we're going to work on. We'll probably get back to cleaning up some stuff. We'll see. Now that we're all full and happy, or we might just all go take a nap. You might be wondering why I had it pull so far on one side. It's because we were expecting to get a bunch of wind out of the east with this storm, because we thought it was going to go further west. So we put it all the way up against that wall so that hopefully it would protect anything that was coming at. But it ended up all coming out of the north, so we didn't need to do that. It just made it a hassle to get back in. So. As you know, Chef Zoe cooked the sausage, Kaneka, and ranch potatoes earlier for lunch. Well, she's going again with asparagus, carrots, and maybe some turnips. I don't know. But
We had to get some more butter.
What you got going there?
How to get more butter?
How to get more butter.
Oh yeah.
Alright, well, I guess for dinner we're having asparagus and protein butter. So, I don't think it's going to be as good as the ranch potatoes and the sausage.
Hey,
Sure, it'll be alright.
some of that leftover Kaneka in here.
Yeah, no, we're going to cook the leftover Kaneka.
Alright.
We're heating it up right now. There is some sausage left, so we're safe after all. Alright. We out here filling the generator up again. This will be the last one for the day. It's 7 o'clock. Hopefully this one will get us through the night.